What's going on with this hair today? We are going to wash the Passat. You have no idea how long I've wanted to make car washing content for on this channel. Well, now I can, because Peter said I can wash my car at warehouse whenever I want. So let's get straight into this bad boy. I'm going to cut right now when all my stuff's set up, and we're going to fully wash the Passat. Only a little quick basic wash. I'm excited to film the Snowfoam more than anything, so I'll focus on the Snowfoam. I'll show you how I do my wheels dead quick. I'd like to call this a temp wash. Bit of a spoiler, but I've already washed the Passat and it is later on, and I forgot to film letting you know that we've got a new OWNA t-shirt, so I wanted to do it right now. We've got a brand new lime OWNA t-shirt, and you can get this free with any single hoodie on the website, or we're doing it in a bundle pack with an OWNA sticker sheet, so you can either add it for free with any hoodie, or you can buy it in a separate product with a sticker sheet. You'll know what I mean when you go to the OWNA website. The link is in the description, or simply Google OWNA and we're at the top. We're gonna need this, which is a hose pipe with a connector, which is to run the K7. Wheel cleaner, wheelie good wheelie cleaner. A bucket for my wheels, with all my wheel bits and pieces on there to clean my wheels. Also going to bring my mitt and my bucket for washing. My drying towel, which shouldn't be anywhere near. The thing I'm nervous about is, see all this dust? It's everywhere, it's on the top of every bottle. It's on all my gear. And that was from when we had this door put in. So I'm a bit nervous that there's like bits all over the garage from this stuff, that stuff, that stuff. So trust this isn't my best wash, but I'm going to get things back straight. So you've seen what we're taking back to the skate park to wash the beast. So I'll see you back at the skate park, but on the way back I'm going to show you the Passat. Its condition right now is dreadful. You have no idea what you're dealing with. It's never been this bad. It's never been this dirty. It's never been this rough. The Passat has had a rough few, probably like 2 months. It's been dailied every day. Dogs, crazy stuff. The Passat is feeling vintage. It's sat on 20s, Rotiform, Tough R's, TUFRs. These are pretty cool. Little centre caps. It's sat on there. We've got a touch of rust in this corner. It's probably the only bad bit on the whole car. Oh, and I reversed this red reflector thing into a lamppost, and the exhaust took a bit of the grunt, so I'm happy because it didn't snap the bumper or anything. It makes me happy I've got a daily. Jeez! There's rubbish in it. Dog bowls. Loads of rubbish in it. Hoodies, bottles, sunglasses. Jeez! I'm going to start with my wheels, then I'm going to Snowfoam it, then I'm going to wash it with a sponge, then I'm going to dry it with a drying towel. Should be pretty chilled. It's got no wax on it, it's got nothing on it. Listen to this bad boy. Oh, also, it's running on V2, so let me find my keys. It's running on V2. It's an R36 Passat with a straight pipe, for crying out loud. You get me? Things to do. We've got a car to wash. I'm picking my missus up at 3 o'clock. I've got 2 hours to wash my car. Let's go! Okay, we're doing some mods right now. We're going, we need this extension piece, which is gonna go to a tap behind this door, and then I'm gonna join my actual hose pipe, and then my pressure washer, which is inside. All right, we're starting bright and early. I've got my bucket for my wheels right here, going down, and then we're going to get straight into it with some auto finesse. Where are we? Reactive wheel cleaner. I'm going to start out by hammering that on every wheel. I'll only show you one wheel, I try to get all the barrels in between to give it good coverage, and then finish with the face. As you can see already, that is grimy. What I do on a fast wash, I start with a tyre brush, go around the whole tyre. This is just a little quick temp wash, little tyre brush. And then use this massive wheel woolly and go all the way into the barrel, all the way round. And then I put this hand mitt on and I go over the whole thing at the front. Peter's just showed up. Peter's the landlord, the owner of Warehouse Skate Park in Leyland. Let's give you a quick little walk around. The beast, you've seen this in plenty of vlogs though, so I'm not going to bore you with the skate park stuff because I know you're car people, but you know where it is and you know what it looks like. Okay, so we've washed wheels and now we're bagged out, slammed out, because obviously we don't need to wash any more wheels. So now it's for the fun part, which I'm sure you've all tuned in because you want to see, which is Snowfoaming, the R36 sexual Passat. So I'm going to get set up and we are about to drop the piece in today's video. It's the only reason you've clicked in. You didn't want to hear about my OWNA deals, but have you gone and bought your new green t-shirt? If you haven't, why haven't you? But you've only clicked in to see this moment. Sit back, take a sip of your brew. The clickbait is over. Time to Snowfoam the R36 Passat. Let's go. Okay, we're going to start with some POV of me just holding it, Snowfoaming the Passat. I'm using a stubby gun, check it, with a quick release with a CANON from Chemical Guys, which is called a Big Mouth. And I've got Auto Bright Direct PALMA Violet Snowfoam, which you've already seen in my garage. So we're going to start with a quick blitz POV and then we're going to switch to maybe a tripod and do another little section, or maybe I'll just do the full thing in POV. Take one. That's not that big. It needs modern. Ready for the logo to disappear. Peace out. Okay, so we're back in the game. The sun's come out, which means one thing: Snowfoam's got to go ASAP. hope that alleviated your enjoyment and gave you great satisfaction to see the Passat R36 getting snow foamed. Now I'm going to put you on just a tripod and I'm just going to wash it quickly because the sun has come out, and you shouldn't really wash a car in this sun because the water has iron in it and it stains your paint and you have to machine it out. So long story short, we're going to wash the Passat with a mitt with some car shampoo and dry it off with a drying towel, but I'm not going to do any of that vlogging like this because I want to do it fast. Okay, so the sun has gone in just annoyingly right as I've finished, which is absolutely not helpful at all. However, the Passat is now clean and washed, and I've mitted it. Not the best wash, but I'll take it. I've not even been washing it, so I'll take any form of a wash. But now I'm going to use a drying towel, which has worryingly been sat in my garage with all that dust. Things have gone south, but it's okay. Oh my God. Guest appearance. Name the car and you win absolutely nothing. Now, name the car.
I've not even a clue.
I'm going to say Morris Minor just because it's the oldest car I can think of. If I'm right, let me know in the comments below. If I'm wrong, I don't care. It's that simple. Before we go out with this vlog, I wanted to remind each and every single one of you we've got a brand new acid green t-shirt that we've just dropped on OWNA. You can either get this free with every single hoodie, or you can buy it as a bundle with a sticker pack. Go to the website, which is in the link to this video, or Google OWNA, we're right at the top. Get involved, get on the purchases and support my brand. I'll see you in the next vlog. I'm going to be keeping this up again. Peace out, thanks for watching.